my channel KhanTech. Welcome to KhanTech. In this video I am going to discuss share and review a spreadsheet. The topics are spreadsheet sharing, opening and saving a spreadsheet, recording changes in a spreadsheet, add, edit and format the comments in a shared spreadsheet, view, accept or reject changes in a shared spreadsheet, merging and comparing of shared spreadsheet. These are the topics we will cover in this video. Let's begin. Sometimes it requires a spreadsheet to be shared on a network to a number of people to share the same worksheet. It will help to speed up the work easier and collaboration purposes. OpenOffice Calc allows more than one user to open work on the same spreadsheet at the same time. This will easier the data entry work by collaborating on the same sheet. It is for collaboration. For identification of users to collaborate, to enter his name so that identified easily. Identified easily. Here go to the tool menu and then select options. Go to the tool menu and select options. Double click on the OpenOffice options present at the left side to expand it. Click on user data option under the OpenOffice to open the user data page and enter the details and click on OK. Spreadsheet software allows the user to share workbook and place it in the network location where several users can access the spreadsheet at a time. To set up a spreadsheet for sharing, you have to choose tool menu, then select options. Opening a shared spreadsheet. When the spreadsheet is in shared mode, a dialog box appears displaying the message that the spreadsheet you want to open in shared mode, multiple users can use this sheet. Few formatting options will not be available when the spreadsheet is in shared mode. Click on OK. Saving a shared spreadsheet. When you save a shared spreadsheet, one of the several situations may occur. If the worksheet was not modified, saved by any other user, since you open it, the worksheet is saved. And the second option is if the worksheet was modified and saved by another user since you open it, then if the changes made by you and another user do not conflict. The worksheet is saved. If it is modified, then the user shown with a red border. If the changes conflicts, the resolve conflict dialog box appears. You want to accept the changes made by you or other user, then worksheet is saved. In case another user is trying to save the shared worksheet and resolve conflicts, you will get a message that the shared spreadsheet file is locked due to merge in progress. You can retry save later or cancel the save command for now. We will see if how to save a spreadsheet. Then we will move on to this tracking changes. Here open one spreadsheet, enter some data in it. This is random data. You can enter any numbers just to show you how to save a spreadsheet in shared mode. Enter some values in the spreadsheet, then go to the tools menu, then select on shared document. Tools menu and choose shared document. This dialog box will appear. Changes here. Changes to formatting attributes like font, color, and number formats will not be saved, and some functionalities like editing, chart, and drawing objects are not available in shared mode. Some of the functionalities may not work in shared mode, so we have to click on this checkbox. We have to click. Then you can see this will be highlighted. Turn off shared mode to get exclusive access needed for those changes and functionalities. If you turn on this shared mode, then only you can get the full access to functionalities of the full spreadsheet. In shared mode, some of the functionalities may not work. Then if we click on OK, this worksheet will be in shared mode. We can enter our name so that the user can identify in the network. Click on OK. A message will come pop-up window. The spreadsheet must be saved now to activate sharing mode. Do you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue. Now you can see in the bracket shared. This is a file name, share and review.ods. In the bracket shared. Now we can put this in a shared mode. Anybody can access on the network. Anybody can enter the data and make the changes and access this spreadsheet. Now we will save this shared spreadsheet. Go to the file and click on save as. Give the file name. Shared spreadsheet. .ods. The file is saved. You can see the some of the functionalities may not work in shared mode. Go to the edit and you can see can't undo, can't restore, can't repeat, and compare document, link. These are all disabled in a shared mode. In insert mode also, some of the options are disabled in shared mode. Comment and chat, sheet from file, these are all disabled in shared mode. If the worksheet was not modified and saved by another user, since you open it, the worksheet is saved. There are two cases here, two cases in the shared worksheet mode. If the worksheet you are given to number of people on a network. Suppose this is the worksheet and number of people are accessing on the same worksheet. If they are not modified, the case number 1. Case number 2 is if the worksheet was modified and saved by another user. Since you open it, then one of the following event will occur. If the changes do not conflict, the worksheet is saved. The dialog box appears and any cells modified by the other users are shown with red border. There may be possibility of they may work on the same cell or different cell. If the changes will not conflict, no problem. If the changes are conflict, then worksheet is saved with modified and the users are shown with a red border. If the changes conflicts, that is, if the other persons on a network make the changes on the same cell, then the result conflict dialog box will appear. In case another user is trying to save the shared spreadsheet, you will get the message that the shared spreadsheet file is locked due to the merge in progress. You can try save later or cancel the command for now. You can decide for each conflict the version to keep your or other person's. Then all the conflicts are resolved, then only you can save the worksheet. No other user can save the shared worksheet. Now close this shared document, shared worksheet, and we will open again shared spreadsheet. A dialog box will appear. The shared spreadsheet is in shared mode. This allows multiple users to access and edit the spreadsheet at the same time. Changes to formatting attributes like font color and number format will not be saved. And some functionalities like editing chart and drawing objects are not available in shared mode. You can, if you do not show this warning again, if you want to tick on this, it will not show you this pop-up window. Then click on OK and make some changes, modify something. Then click on save this. I modified some cells. Now if you want to uncheck this shared mode, then go to the tools menu, click on shared document and uncheck this share this spreadsheet with others. Click on OK. Do you want to continue? Click on yes. Now you can see that in the bracket shared mode was not there here. Now this is normal document spreadsheet. It is not in shared mode. If you want to apply some changes in this document, and then you want to record those changes, we will see how to record those changes in the spreadsheet. Tracking changes. Tracking changes is a method using this calc. Keep track of changes you make to a worksheet. You can accept or reject those changes. Preparing a document for review. To turn on the change recording, follow these steps. Open the worksheet, click on edit and choose the changes, then choose record. Third step, click on edit, go to the changes, then protect records. Then it will protect the spreadsheet. Enter the password, then click on OK. We'll see. Now to record changes, go to the edit menu. Click on changes and select record. Go to the edit menu, click on changes and click on record. It will record our changes. Now instead of 50 I am giving 60 here. Here 67 is 77. Those changes will be displayed with red mark. These changes which I have made now will be visible with a red mark. You can see the red marks. The changes made now are visible with red mark. Like this you can record your changes in the spreadsheet. Go to the edit and click on changes and click on record to record changes in a spreadsheet. Now you can accept or reject the changes. If you are on the record mode and make the changes, then only you can see the changes in a spreadsheet. The previous value will be displayed in the record conflicts. You have to accept or reject those changes. Let's take one more spreadsheet. In this I have entered some data, names. I have entered some names and subjects: English, Hindi, IT, Maths, Science, Social. I have entered some values, some marks in each subjects for 7 students. Then I have given a record these spreadsheets, and those you have to click on the edit and changes and click on record, and they can modify it and they can enter this spreadsheet data. Now anybody can on the network can modify it now. Those changes which are in recording mode are highlighted, and we can easily identify it by these red borders. Changes are made and they are highlighted with red borders. Now how to accept or reject those changes which are made in the spreadsheets. I have given this spreadsheet to modify on a network to someone, and they have modified these values. Now I have the authority to accept these changes, these values, or reject these values. How? Go to the edit menu and select changes, click on accept or reject. You can see the action and position, author, date of modification, comment also you can see. Cell H7 change from values. Previously it was 50, now the change value is 60. Cell G5 change from 67 to 77, like this. Cell G6 change from 77 to 88, like this. All the changes including the cell reference numbers, cell numbers, and the values to from 40 to 80, like this. Previous values and the new values we can see here. Author is I am only modifying in a network. You can see the multiple users and you can see those names. Here you can accept or reject or accept all or reject all. Here are these options. You can accept all this or accept each one or reject those changes or reject some changes or accept all the changes or reject all the changes. Now if you click on accept one by one, it will be accepted like this. Now you can see the cell, it will go to the cursor will go to the, and you have to choose accept or reject. And I will select some rejection also. I will select reject, this one reject, this one also reject, this one also reject, this one also reject, and remaining all I will accept all. Now you can see the actions here. Rejected, accepted. You can see by clicking on this plus button. These are the rejected and these are the accepted. I have accepted these many changes made by the shared spreadsheets, and I have some rejection of the rejected some cells. Like this you can accept and reject or accept all the changes or reject all the changes in the sheets, any record mode. Now next is viewing changes. How to view changes? Tracking change is a method. Using this, calc keeps track of changes you make to a spreadsheet. You can accept or reject those changes. Preparing a document for review. To turn on the changes recording, follow these steps. Open the worksheet, click on edit, click on changes, click on record. Then click on edit, click on changes. You can protect record. Calc has a feature to track that the data was changed, when the change was made, who made the changes, and in which cell the change has occurred. First we will see the practically tracking changes. Go to the spreadsheet, click on edit menu, click on changes, click on show, edit, click on changes, click on show. Then you can see the year date wise. You can select filtered settings here. You can check this option, tick mark this data, so that you can sort out date wise. Since equal to, not equal to, between, since saving. Like this you can select anyone. Date and time you can specify here. You can select the names of the users, or you can select the range. You can select comments, show accepted changes, There you can select the date since equal to date and not equal to date, between date. Like this you can select the date. Author, only one author is here, Ashfaq Khan. Is there in a network you can see the number of users here. Then you can select the range, that is you want to specify some range of values, range of cells. Then you go to the cells, you can specify, and here you have to choose here you have to select the range here. Suppose I have selected this range, so that any changes made in this you can see. You can see here sheet and cell values, cell numbers, so that if we go and make the changes, click on OK and make some changes here. Instead of 10, 60, like this. Go to the edit, click on changes, click on show. Then uncheck this range and click on OK. Then if you modify these changes here, it will not show you. Only within the range you can see the changes. That is the use of range. See, I can able to see up to here. If I modified last cells, it will not show you. That's the use of the range. You can specify a range so that any modifications, it will be highlighted. These are changes in a spreadsheet. Let's see here in this spreadsheet 2, we will select edit, changes and show. We will select range, I will set this range, click on select changes, edit changes, show. Now make the changes. Go to the edit, go to the changes, click on show. So click on edit, click on changes, click on show and I select the range and click on these dots, and now it has taken the cell range. Then select the range and click on OK. Now you can enter modification here. Go to the edit changes, show. Now that value we have changed, you can highlight it here, so that we have selected this range. Like this you can select the range so that any modification you can be highlighted. Now if you see, if you select this cell, the value G7 changed from 79 to 90. Right click and insert. Click on insert. Right click and click on insert comment. Right click and click on insert comment. And then you can write your comments here. Value modified. Now you can select this cell, then you can see the comment value modified 79 to 90. Now you can see the comments here, the default comment, and I enter the comment here. You can see both the comments. If you don't want to see this first comment, you want to see the only our comment which we have entered now, then you have to go to the recording mode off. Click on edit, click on changes, click on record, so that exit change record mode. Click on yes. Now you can see the only which we have entered the comment now. Only one comment will be displayed. Right click and select insert comment. Give the comment. Like this you can insert comments. New value. Like this you can insert comments. Like this. Right click and click on insert comment. You can see the red dot here, that is comments. You can see the comments with the red dots. If you insert comment, you can see the red dot here. New value. this comment value modified 79 to 90. Like this you will see the red dot here. You can select if you want to show the comments. You can right click and show comment. It will display the comment. And right click, you can delete comment, you can insert comment, you can show the comment. You can insert and delete and show. If you want to select the delete, the comment will be deleted. Like this you can insert and delete the comments. And now you can click on this comment. Format cells. Now you can, if you want to modify this comment, you can increase the font size, you can decrease the font size, you can give the font color. You can increase, decrease, and you can give the colors to this comment text. Like this you can format, edit, and bold, underline, and alignment. Like this you can do the formatting of text, formatting of font, formatting of colors, text formatting, and you can do all the formatting to the comment. This is the comment here. Now if you want to delete the comment, right click, you can delete the comment. No, there is no comment. Now if you want to get the password for a spreadsheet, go to the edit, go to the edit, click on changes, to give your password you have to click on edit menu, click on changes, and password protect mode is disabled. Click on this record mode option, and then click on once again edit changes. Now you can be able to see the protect record. Select the protect record, and here you have to give the password for this spreadsheet. I'm giving password here, confirm password, and click on OK. Like this you can give the password to your spreadsheet. Edit changes, protect record, give the password, enter the password, then click on OK. And then move on to the next slide. Recording changes. To start recording changes, make the changes as required. Observe the cell gets highlighted with red colored border around the cell. To show or hide the changes, click on edit changes, select show changes in spreadsheet checkbox, and click on OK to show the changes. To hide the changes and check the show changes in the spreadsheets. Just now we have seen the how to edit the comments, and we have seen to add a comment on a particular change. Select the cell that contains the changes, then click on edit changes and click on comment. Enter the comment in the dialog box and then click on OK. The comment is displayed as the tooltip text. When you hold the mouse pointer over the cell with the comment, or to add comment to the cell, right click on it and select insert comment from the context menu. A comment box appears. Enter the comment and click anywhere outside the box. This also we have seen practically. To edit the comment, select the cells and click on edit changes comment. Edit the comment, click on OK. To stop recording changes, click on edit changes record. To stop a record in a spreadsheet, click on edit menu, click on changes, click on record. Accepting or rejecting changes, go to the edit menu, click on changes, click on accept or reject changes. It displays the list of changes made in the worksheet. Then we have seen practically this also we have seen filter tab. To accept or reject changes dialog box is used to specify the filter criteria. It helps us show only the changes of certain people. Adding comments. Adding comments, select the cells where you want to comment to appear. Select the insert and then choose comment on the menu bar. Shortcut key is Ctrl plus Alt plus C. Or right click and select insert comment. Enter the comment in the box. Click outside to close it. Notice the colored dot in the upper right hand side corner of the cell to which the comment is added. This also we have seen. To view comment, just hover the mouse pointer over the cells as a comment. Just we have to move on the mouse to see the comment. Editing comments. Right click on the cell containing the comment and select the show comment options from the context menu. Select the comment box and double click on it. The cursor appears in the comment box and formatting toolbar changes the text formatting toolbar. This also we have seen how to select the comment and how to modify the text of a comment. Make the changes and click outside the comment box. To hide the comment again, right click and uncheck the show comment of the context menu. This also we have seen we have deletion also we have seen. Formatting comment. To change background color, border style, transparency, etc., right click on the desired cells and select show comment from the context menu. Select the comment box and select it. The formatting toolbar changes to drawing object properties toolbar. Deleting comment. To delete a comment, right click on cell containing the comment and select delete option. This will delete the comment. Merging and comparing workbook. When multiple users to make changes the shared worksheet, it compares the workbook to view all their changes at one to go, accept or reject them. One unedited document that you want to compare with the original document. Go to the edit menu, click on compare document, click on yes, then click insert dialog box appears. Select the original document and then click on open button. The accept or reject changes dialog box appears. Multiple users return the edited version of worksheet at the same time. In that case, it may be quick to review all these changes at once. rather than one view at a time. For this purpose, merging of worksheet will help. To merge worksheet of all the edited worksheet, need to have recorded changes in them. It should be in recorded mode. All the worksheet in there, it should be in recorded mode. To merge a document, we have to open the original document that is in which we are working, and the previous document which was not modified, or the other documents which are modified by the other users. You have to open it. How to open? Go to the edit menu, click on changes and click on merge document. Go to the edit menu, click on changes, click on merge document. I have given the password for this document. If you don't give any password, then it will open directly. Click on OK, and we have to choose the modified or edited spreadsheet, or the one which we have given to the other users to modify the worksheet. We have to choose that document. Here I am selecting one document, shared document. It should be in desktop. Shared spreadsheet. Now the accept or reject changes dialog box will appear. Here there are no changes here. Why? Because we are not open in the record mode that document. And let's see. First of all, we have to open in a recorded mode, then make some changes on the document, and then we will open it. Open this document. This is the first document which was not modified, and go to the edit, click on changes, click on record. Like this, we have entered some modification in this record one, and in this also we'll do the modifications. We will add one more record here. We will do some modifications and we will in the record mode, then we will open it. Okay, these are the changes I have done in this, and click on save this document and close this document. Go to this original document. This is original document, that is my I am giving here the name modified shared spreadsheet. Now click on edit and click on changes and click on merge document. Give the password, click on OK and select the file which was modified by the other users, that is shared spreadsheet. Now you can see all those changes are recorded. Previously it was not recorded any change because it was not on the record mode. Now I have entered in the record mode and make changes in this spreadsheet. Now you can see that all these changes. Now you can select one by one and you can accept, or you can select all or reject all. You do off the record mode, then it will be highlighted. These buttons will be highlighted. You have to go to the modified record or the other record, then recording mode should be off, and then once again you have to open this. The changes which were made in the other document will be reflected in the original document. One record we have entered here, this is the last record we have entered in the second document, and changes now. If you want to accept all the changes, then I am selecting all the accept all changes, accepted. Like this you can modify the changes in the worksheet. In this way we can merge the documents which we have changes in the other documents. This is merging of documents in the shared mode. Here I have selected two documents. One is modified document, the other one is shared document. I will show the name. This one, shared spreadsheet document. I have taken two documents and I have modified in that, and those changes are reflected in the original document by recording the record mode on. Then merge the document so that the changes will reflect in this original document. This is merging of document, merging of shared spreadsheet. And then last topic is comparing documents. When sharing worksheet, reviewers may forget to record the changes they make. This is not a problem with Calc because Calc can find the changes by comparing worksheets. In order to compare worksheet, you need to have original worksheet with that is the one which is edited. If I have given one document to other person to modify the changes, he forgot to on the record mode, and he has made the changes and he has submitted. Then this will be helpful comparing the document. For comparing documents, spreadsheets, go to this document, share spreadsheet document. Open this. We'll modify some data here. We'll make changes and without recording mode. Recording mode should be off. Exit the recording mode. Click on yes and you make the changes here. Here 80, 80, 80, 80. Here also 90. Make some changes here and we will open with in the original document. This is the document without in record mode. I have saved and close this document. Now go to this original document and click on edit. Click on changes. Click on merge document. Go to the edit and off the record mode here. Exit the record mode. Go to the edit menu and click on compare document. We are now comparing the document. Select shared spreadsheet document. Starting with yes, click on this shared spreadsheet document. Now these are the changes we have made without in record mode. Now you have to accept or you have to accept some changes. You have to, if you want to reject some changes, it's up to you. Accept some changes, reject, accept, reject, and these are all accepting. Okay. In this way you can compare. The calc will compare if the user forgot to on the record mode. Calc will compare the document and accept the changes. Calc find and marks the changes as follows. All data that are occurred in the edited worksheet but not in the original is identified as inserted. The data occur in the edited worksheet but not in the original is identified as inserted. All the data that is in your original worksheet but is not in the edited worksheet is identified as deleted. All data that is changed is marked as changed. All data that occurs in the edited worksheet but not in the original spreadsheet is identified as inserted. All the data that is in original worksheet but is not in the edited worksheet is identified as deleted. All the data that is changed is marked as changed. Next we will see some multiple choice questions and short answers. The shared document option is present under dash menu. A. Data. B. Tools. C. Format. D. Insert. Answer is B. Tools. The shared document option is present in Tools menu. The dash comment over the mouse pointer over the cell that has comment. B. To view the comment. To view the comment, just mouse pointer over and you can see the comment. For password protect your worksheet, click on edit, changes, then option A, protect record, option B, password, option C, protect record, option D, password. Answer is C. Protect record. Protect record will give the password to the worksheet. Comment option is present under the dash menu. Comment option is present at A. Edit, B. File, C. Insert, D. Tools. Answer is C. Insert menu. Compare document option is present under dash menu. A. File, B. Data, C. Insert, D. Edit. Answer is D. In the edit menu, you will find the compare document, compare worksheet document. What is the purpose of sharing spreadsheet? The answer is sharing spreadsheet enhance the data entry work, making it easier by sharing on the same sheet. It will ease the data entry work and it will give the quicker time. We can make it changes. Time will be saved. Data entry will be easier. We can number of people can be accessed in the same document. How can you identify that a spreadsheet is shared or not? The word shared in the bracket shared appears on the title bar, which shows that the file is shared. Define track changes. Track changes is a method using which Calc keeps track of changes you make to a worksheet. Next question is, your IT teacher has given a collaborative project work of creating spreadsheet for maintaining records of laboratories of your school. Which option you will use so that all the students can work simultaneously in the sheet? Answer is shared spreadsheet. How will you go? Click on tools and go to select the shared document. In this way you can share the document. That's all about the electronic spreadsheet advanced share and review your spreadsheets. We'll meet in the next video. Okay, then till then, bye.